So in this tutorial, we're going to implement a macro into an interactive button. So what we're going to do here is we have our developer tab. I went over in a different video, 15 seconds long, of how to get this. I'd come back to this if you don't have it. So what we can do is we could do record macro, and we're going to name it macro 1. We'll make this say control E, and we won't leave a description. Now what we can do is we can do equals sum, these two, press enter, and then we can just drag this down here, and that'll be all for our macro. So we can save that, and we can just close this out. Now what we want to do is we're going to clear this so we can test our button when we use it. And we're going to go to Insert, Shape, and I'm going to make my button say a circle. I'll put it here. And now we have this little circle here. I can hover over it and right click, and now I can do Assign Macro. Here I only have one macro, macro 1, and we can press OK. Now once that's there, we can press off of it. Now you can see when we hover over it, it gives us a hand and a pointer, and we can interact with that now. Now you can see it populated our cells here, meaning that our button macro works. If we would like, we could right click on this button and we could do edit text. Here we can name it, so we can do button 1, and we could press out of it. And now you can see it's called button 1. Once again, we could change all these values. And you can see it automatically updates as it's put in the sum formula for us, which is really nice. Now that'll be all for this video, and I hope that helps.